All right, guys, I want to show you what's possible with mobile home investing and the way we teach you guys how to do it. So I thought that this video was important because a lot of people think that mobile homes are too expensive. Where I live, you don't get these deals for cheap. You can't get mobile homes for free. So I'm going to show you guys. You have to change your perception how you look at things. So look at this thing. Look at this for sale sign. This property, 150K, our best offer. 3 acres, 60 by 40 shop, small pond. So, okay, someone would see this and they would say, you know what? I'm priced out of the deal. But let's look at this, guys. Now we see a double wide is sitting on the property. So we just got done taking the top off, guys. So that's why I'm breathing hard a little bit. But look at this double wide, guys. I want you to drop them comments below what you think that I paid for this, for the double wide. Remember, this is $150,000 that they're asking for it. Let's take a look at this double wide, guys. Let's take a walk on the inside. Now again, I teach you guys how to make money from all types of deals. Now look at this. We see that they started remodeling. Look at this. They dropped it down to the studs. It's basically bare. Now, how could you make money off of this? All right, guys, drop them in the comment. See some of the cabinets still up. Look like they started doing work, but they gave up. Again, perfect scenario. This always happens. Still have some walls up, down to the bare ceiling. Drop them in the comments, guys. How much you think I've got this for? Some of you may get it. All the work that needs to be done, guys. Asking 150K. They started working and they just stopped. These floor work, sheetrock in a lot of the rooms. It's really just a lot of sheetrock repair, guys. And sheetrock, I mean, if you get a couple of guys that know what they're doing, you put these walls up and some floors down, guys, this thing is gonna be worth that $150,000 that they're asking. But I just want to show you guys, look at this. This home. So guys, I got this home for free. I got this home for free, guys. And a lot of people like to ask, what if I don't live around mobile home parks? Can I still get these type of deals? Like I said, guys, a lot of our deals come outside of parks. A majority of our deals come from properties just like this that's just sitting on land. And if you guys didn't know about mobile homes, a majority of mobile homes are on private property, not inside of parks. So there are tons of homes on private property. This is where you'll find the majority of your deals. But guys, I got this home for free. Yes, free. You see 150,000. I got it for free because I know how to get rid of it. Really what they want is to get the home off of the property and sell just the land and the pond. So the person that's buying it, they're like, I don't want this home. And this is something that I tell you guys all the time. Sellers, these people that get these mobile homes for whatever reason, they don't know what these things are worth. And that's where you come in. Got this home for free, guy. And the guy did call me and asking me how much I was gonna pay for it. And I like, we started free when they tell us, when someone calls and asks us to remove a home. I always ask them what they want for it. But I won't give away all the goods, guys. This is all inside the course, inside our material. So definitely check that out. We give you guys the script, how to handle calls like this, how to talk to these people, how to make money on these types of deals. So we're going to end up probably wholesaling this deal. We got the metal carport. I mean, that's 5-10 grand within itself. So we got money from that. But we're probably going to end up wholesaling this deal to a couple of investors that we know that look for these type of homes where they can do the work. Again, guys, we normally don't do the work. We don't tackle big jobs like this. We just send these to our buyers list, and we have a couple of investors that we are getting good with, and they just, when we get deals like these, they just buy them from us. So this is how you make money from investing in mobile homes, guys. You have to think outside the box. Don't be discouraged because you think you're priced out of these deals. You just saw the sign for sale, $150,000, guys, and I got the home for free. So just want to shoot this video right quick to show you guys we do this all the time, and we can show you guys how to do it. If you're interested in the mentorship, this would more than likely be a mentorship deal because this is advanced marketing, this is advanced negotiating. So if you guys are interested in the mentorship, definitely check it out. The links are in the description, and we show you how to acquire these type of homes for free and how to profit from them. So hope this was good information for you guys and to keep you guys encouraged. So talk to you on the next one.